Hi everyone, I'm Gino from Prosperous Marketing Team. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software to help you grow your business. Congratulations on completing the associate level. You're now ready for the professional level of the Prosperna Training Certification Series. In our first lesson, we'll discuss the importance of social media in online marketing and selling. Social media is a context refers to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even YouTube. E-commerce is more than just having your own online store, but also having a diverse presence to connect with other businesses and most of all, your customers. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, create a page on social media channels. When creating a page for your online store on social media, you should choose to set up a business profile because it's publicly accessible for all. While having a page on different social media channels will help customers find you and learn about you, it's more important that you're on the right social media channels based on who your target market is. I'd rather be on one social media channel where I know my target is and focus my time, money, and efforts there, versus having a profile on all the social media channels and spreading myself too thin and getting little results. In addition, make sure your social media profile is completely filled out with all your company details, so it's easy for customers to find the link to your online store, other contact details, and your hours of operation. Bottom line is, focus your efforts and make it easy for customers to contact you. Number 2, engage with the community. Social media is all about connecting with other people online, as well as a place where brands can broadcast information to their audience and customers. Apart from just sharing content alone, it's about engaging or being social with people as a way to build digital relationships. To really do this well, we believe you can't be shy about your viewpoints and opinions. The best and most effective marketing is about providing value and changing people's behavior. If you really think about this, you can't change anyone's mind or get them behind your brand if you don't share ideas about what you stand for. Number 3, make use of their e-commerce features. There are 3 advantages of setting up the shop features of a social media site with the likes of Facebook. As an example, advantage number 1, integrate your products from your Prosperna online store to your social media shop. This enables people who visit your social media page to see detailed product information such as inventory and pricing in real time. Advantage number 2, provide a better customer experience and increase online conversions by integrating a checkout, submit an order, or buy now button that allows customers a frictionless way to pay for your products and services. Advantage number 3, increase consumer confidence. In order for someone to buy from you, they have to trust you. By integrating your Prosperna online store with your social media channels shop, a potential customer's trust in you will increase compared to others who don't have an online store. Number 4, install chatbots. There are 4 benefits of having a chatbot that integrates with both your social media page on Facebook and your Prosperna online store. Benefit number 1, offer better customer service. Consumers today expect and demand fast response times. A chatbot enables you to provide customers with information they need while waiting in line. Benefit number 2, capture customer and potential customers' information. In order to interact with your chatbot, you can automatically request a prospect to provide their contact details first. Benefit number 3, by capturing this kind of data, you can implement chatbot marketing and advertising campaigns, which will send your ads directly into a customer's chat message window. Benefit number 4, scale your business without having to always hire more people. Basically, let the technology of an automated chatbot do the work for you. Chatbots are extremely effective in improving customer service, social media marketing, and scaling your business. Number 5, start advertising. If you don't mind, I'm gonna be straightforward with you on this one. Compared to traditional marketing and paying for expensive rent at a mall to get foot traffic, A social media paid advertising campaign is 100 times faster, 10 times more cost effective, can be controlled down to the penny, and is super easier to measure if it works or not. If you're like many companies out there, you're probably looking for ways to get the best and fastest ROI, and you won't find any other better way than paying for advertising in the right social media channel. That's it for this lesson. Here's a refresher to help you remember. Create a business page on the right social media channels, engage with your community by sharing your opinions, integrate the social media channels shop to your Prosperna online store, install an integrated chatbot, start paid advertising campaign. Next time, we'll talk about blogs and vlogs. You can also visit our website for more online resources at www.prosperna.com/resources. See you on our next training course. Happy selling!